everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Down on the River Ottery, have a check on the Kingfishers. I arrived quite early. It was misty and there was a kingfisher already perched on the log, so I managed to just set up the camera quickly, get some video of it. It was pretty poor light, but managed to get some footage. It was there for ages, just sat there. Eventually flew off, so I was able to come in and get the hide set up as quickly as I could. And it was literally within 10-15 minutes. I had 3 juvenile kingfishers all together. Brilliant, absolutely amazing. It was still quite misty, but it was clearing a bit, so the light wasn't too bad. So I was shooting on manual, trying to get the shooting as wide open as I can, f5.6. But it did brighten up a little bit. It's brightening up a bit more now, so it's a bit better. It's gone very quiet now. They were just flitting around on the log. One was sat up on the stump. One had a fish, caught a fish. And they were there for ages. I think it's the longest I've ever had kingfishers in one go. Absolutely brilliant. It's fantastic to see them here still. So yeah, 3 juveniles. They'll eventually be driven away by the adults. They'll go and set up their own territories, hopefully somewhere, and then the adults will start another brood. So we're in mid-June, so yeah, it's a long breeding period for them, but looks like it's been a successful one, so it's really pleasing. So yeah, we'll give it a little while longer and see if they come back. So it's gone very quiet for the last half hour, 45 minutes. No kingfishers, haven't come back, but so it's definitely worth the early start this morning. Some fantastic views, the 3 juveniles, a privilege. So it's quite gloomy now anyway, so I'm more than happy with what we got this morning. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's so good to see them here still. And doing well. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks ever so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Thanks again.